Hello there, Steve here in Sydney of the GNOSIS website truebluehealer.com. This video is about the incredible pinpoint accuracy of GNOSIS and its astonishing long-range reach around the globe to pick out two single individuals and bring them together for a common purpose. This is a real thing you can check. The time date stamps are on emails and videos, etc. My full-time thing is actually running the GNOSIS website truebluehealer.com. My other passion is subtitling the videos of the famous French singer Mireille Mathieu. After waiting for quite a few years, it suddenly became available, a long-lost video. She's singing in Spanish a Christmas carol, Rin Rin. I immediately wanted to subtitle that. There was a problem though, which I didn't know how to solve. A machine translation revealed basically nonsense coming out of the computer, because it's really a children's song and it has a few nonsense phrases in it, something like "Pop goes the weasel" in English, you see. So I pondered for a while. Here I am, stymied. I've been stopped. What am I going to do? I really need an Anglo-Spanish person immersed in Spanish culture who can speak clear English for me and translate it for me. So, and having had that thought for a few minutes, I forgot about it and went on with alternative work, you see. Having completely forgotten that, I was quite surprised when just a few hours later, a lady wrote an email to me saying that she had somehow been pulled into my website, truebluehealer.com, and now her hands were tingling in a very strange way. The email, the comment is available for you on the net. I wrote back to her and I said straight away, you've been brought in because I need you, I wished for you. And I looked at her website, her YouTube account, and it was immediately available. She was a top shot subtitler and language translator. You see, just the person I need to translate Rin Rin. Anyway, while her hands are still tingling, having discovered my True Blue Healer website, she immediately subtitled the Rin Rin video for me in perfect English and ran it up onto YouTube for me in the space of just 30 minutes. Would have taken me a lot longer, I tell you. So, can I suggest you just ponder what happened there? I had a thought in my head. Somehow my need was communicated via some other intelligent link, another intelligence we might call source. There's 100 million people on the internet. A single one was chosen in the Canary Islands, of all places. I'm in Sydney. Gladys is the translator in the Canary Islands. She's contacted. She is mentally nudged. So something goes into her head and says, go into this website, do what the man says. That's happened to quite a few people. This one is heavily documented with time date stamps, and all the conversational lines are still there underneath the videos. Now, as a consequence of her coming into the website and her hands tingling in a strange way that she immediately reported to me, she progressed very rapidly to having vivid messaging dreams, hearing an internal voice, and wonderful, exciting things, including some mood elevation that she reported in just the first week. Now, can I just ask you to comment, to think about what this really means? A desire in my head, a personal need in my head, results in a person being nudged in the Canary Islands into going to an unknown website with a synthetic Australian name, truebluehealer.com. She has no idea what it is or what she's doing, but she's put into the website. She's nudged into contacting myself and immediately does exactly what I wanted a few hours previously. This means there's some other intelligence connecting people around the internet. We call it source to keep our mind processes online and easily manageable. We call it source, the second intelligence that does this. It's alluded to in the movie Avatar, the intelligence that connects all the trees via the roots permeating the planet. Okay, it's that kind of planetary intelligence that's bringing people together across the internet. And this is a very well documented case of it happening here on Earth. Now, it can happen to you too. You could have been chosen as one of the internet users to be brought into my website. It's happened to many other people, and it will happen to many others in the future. But Gladys was chosen in the Spanish islands, the Canaries, because she had the unique properties to make her useful to solve my problem. And one thing I will emphasize to you that you may not have picked up on yet: a thought in my head resulted in physical evidence in the Canary Islands, in another person, a complete stranger. Do you see this? It's physical evidence of a second intelligence working around the planet, bringing people together over the internet. Physical evidence is recorded of this event. A single thought in one person's head resulting in physical changes in another person 20,000 kilometers away in the Canary Islands. So do consider that, people. Start thinking about that. This is not an entertainment video. I'm trying to teach you something, a new concept that may never have occurred to you. That this is likely to happen to yourself too. But you can come into the website straight away and get the same sensations that Gladys did in the Canaries. I'll just tell you what happened to Gladys. You go into the website, it can happen to you in just the same way, wherever you are. Already proven in 10 countries. You'll be given immediate physical evidence that you have changed. Within 7 days you will have some vivid messaging dreams. Within 14 days you will get some independent physical signals. Unmistakably physical they are. You will also start to hear a mentoring voice, and sometimes it takes 3-4 months, sometimes it's in the first 2 weeks. It varies from person to person. There's also a lot of mood elevation, which is biochemically measurable in your blood. Okay, you can feel it. Okay, so I want to bring this to your attention. It's free and it's available at truebluehealer.com. Can I see you there? And this video I'll finish with a bit of the song that triggered the whole thing. My need to know the precise meaning of this lovely Christmas song, Rin Rin. So I'll see you back at truebluehealer.com. Ta-ta.
A Scapellenbau lavora ring ring, cargata di cioccolate, e pan su cioccolatera ring ring. Su molinio suona fre, Maria Maria, me ne sta corriendo, che cioccolatio se ne stan comiendo. Maria Maria, me ne sta corriendo, che cioccolatio se ne stan comiendo. E nel portal de Belen ring ring han entrado los ratones al bueno de San José ring ring. Han roído los calzones, María María, ven acá corriendo, que chocolatillo se le están comiendo. María María, ven acá corriendo, que chocolatillo se le están comiendo. A Scapellenbau lavora ring ring, cargata di cioccolate, e pan su cioccolatera ring ring. Su molinio suona fre, Maria Maria, ven acá corriendo, che cioccolatio se ne stan comiendo. Maria Maria, ven acá corriendo, che cioccolatio se ne stan comiendo.